Steve here, NRC. I just want to show you something, guys. I picked up these SCX24. These are wheel weights. They go on with the Hex. I got these on eBay. I think they were like $12 and something. I have to check. I'll link it and I'll show you the price there in the video. They give you the little pins and they go right on the axles. So I'm gonna try to hook these up and see how they work. This is gonna be hairy. Alright, let's see how these go on. Gotta take wheels off first here. I like using the Tamiya wrench. It fits nice, this little T-wrench for these little nuts on here. And you just gotta take your hex out. See if these fit in. Yep, just like that. Alright. I don't know why you would have to change out the pins. I think they might be the same. I don't think you have to. They look the same. I'm just gonna switch them for the hell of it. Now this slides right on. Just like that. Put your tire back on and wheel. Now remember, I got the Widener kit, so I'm not sure if this will work with your standard axles. It's supposed to. It looks like it clears pretty easy in there, so I would think it would clear with the stock axles, because I don't see nothing sticking out the back of the wheel when this is in. I think these are like 7 grams each, I'm not sure. 6.5 grams each. Let me tear it. Yeah, they're 6.5 grams each, so that's how much it'll add. I'm going to install them on the rest of the axles and then I'll show you when it's finished. There you go, they're all installed. Easy to put on. And this is a cheap upgrade to give you a little more weight down low. They look pretty good. They sit right in the wheels like that. So this should improve your climbing a little bit and it won't tip over as easy. I can feel it, it's planted. Well, there you have it, the installation of the wheel weights. I'll link them below in my video description. They're cheap. Check them out. They should improve this truck, make it perform a little better. Guys, if you like the video, please leave me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Leave me a comment. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer them. Hit that bell so you don't miss my future videos. And Shen RC, we'll see you next time. Beauty.